Hey kiddo, how about we have a pizza making day today? Yes, please. I love making pizza with you, Mom. Awesome! Let's try by making the pizza dough. We will need flour, yeast, warm water, a little sugar, and some olive oil. Can I mix the ingredients? Of course, you can be my little chef. I want pepperoni, mushrooms, and extra cheese on mine. Great choice! And I want veggie pizza with some tomatoes and mushrooms. Can I make a smiley face with pepperoni on mine? Absolutely! Get creative with your toppings. I can't wait for it to bake. While it's cooking, let's set the table and maybe put on some fun music. I will pick our favorite song. Perfect! Our homemade pizzas are ready. These pizzas tastes are even better because we made it together. That's right. Nothing beats homemade pizza and quality time with you. Cheers to our pizza party at home. Thanks for watching.